Despite the 3 lanes, in the left mirror we can see a driver moving very closely behind, but he quickly realized his mistake. As the biker himself stated, he had overestimated his abilities a bit, which quickly ended with a costly lesson.
Sorry.
It was at this moment that he knew.
There we go. First drop. First drop was no joke. Yeah. Now should be good. Thank you though.
Here we have a very similar situation where the biker was unable to stay in the curve despite his best efforts.
Que je vous aide à la remonter. Bonjour. Oh non, ça va hein?
Ouais, je suis tombé dans l'herbe. Non, mais la moto elle a rien. Ah, ça va. Non, j'ai pas de mal, mais bon, ça fait chier quoi. Je le sais, en plus de pneus, c'est de la merde. Ouais, je suis en bas. Qu'est-ce qui est tordu là? Ah non, c'est bon, elle a rien. Je suis en première, attendez, hop, en mettre.
If the road conditions weren't already enough of a hindrance, this biker can always count off the drivers. This rider decided that he wouldn't let the driver off the hook easily, so as to let him understand how big a mistake he was making.
Was that? What? You went through a red light. It was not green. I was looking at it. I was watching green light to see when that changes when mine off red. You went through a red light and almost killed me. You got a camera to show it? Because I've got a camera on showing it. No, no, sorry. I almost died. You were that close from taking out my front wheel. Does it look like I'm going to survive much of an impact on that? Yeah. Exactly. Just go. Watch it. Honestly, it was red. I saw it red, so don't try and lie. Don't lie. Okay, just admit it then. Just say, sorry, I was going too quick. I went through the red, I almost killed you. Don't lie to me and tell me it was green when I was looking at it and it was red. Go. Go. Don't kill anyone.
Look at these idiots. No lights on.
thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.